Certainly, let's break down the questions and solve them step by step. Question 1. Adama rode a bicycle for 45 minutes and walked for an hour to cover a total distance of 10.4 kilometers. If the riding speed is 3 times the walking speed, find correct to two significant figures, the A. Walking speed, B. Distance traveled by riding. Solution. Let's denote. Walking speed equals W kilometer per hour, riding speed equals 3W kilometer per hour, distance traveled by walking. Time equals 1 hour. Distance equals W asterisk 1 equals WKM. Distance traveled by riding. Time equals 45 minutes equals 0.7. 5 hour. Distance equals 3W asterisk 0.75 equals 2.25 WKM. Total distance. W plus 2.25 W equals 10.4 kilometers. 3.25 W equals 10.4. W equals 3.2 kilometers per hour approximately. A. Walking speed equals 3.2 kilometers per hour. B. Distance traveled by riding equals 2.25. W equals 2.25 times 3.2 equals 7.2 kilometers. Question 2. In the diagram, EFH is a triangle. EG equals 50 centimeters. And GH equals XCM. Find, correct to one decimal place, the A value of X, B the length of FH. Solution. We can use the trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, tangent to solve this problem. A. Finding X, we have a right triangle EGH with angle E equals 30 degrees and hypotenuse EG equals 50 centimeters. We want to find the adjacent side GH equals X. Using cosine, cos 30 equals GH slash EG. Cos 30 equals X slash 50. X equals 50 asterisk cos 30. X equals 43.3 centimeters, approximately. B. Finding FH. We have a right triangle FGH with angle G equals 70 degrees and adjacent side GH equals 43.3 centimeters. We want to find the hypotenuse FH. Using cosine, cos 70 equals GH slash FH. Cos 70 equals 43.3 slash FH. FH equals 43.3 slash cos 70. FH equals 126.2 centimeters, approximately. Question 3. A man travels 4 kilometers from a point A on a bearing of 135 degrees to B. He continues 13 kilometers on a bearing of 045 degree to C. A. Illustrate the information in a diagram. B. Find. I. Correct to two significant figures. AC, 2. The bearing of C from A. Solution. A. Diagram. B. Finding AC and bearing of C from A. We can use the cosine rule to find AC. Let AB equals 4 kilometers and BC equals 13 kilometers. The angle between AB and BC is 180 degrees. 135 degrees to 45 degrees equals 90 degrees. Cosine rule. AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared dash 2. ABBC asterisk cos 90 degrees. AC squared equals 4 to the power of 2 plus 13 to the power of 2, 2, 4, 1, 3 asterisk cos 90 degrees. AC squared equals 16 plus 169 to 0. AC equals square root 185 equals 13.6 kilometers, approximately. IAC equals 13.6 kilometers. To find the bearing of C from A, we can use the sine rule. Let angle BAC equals alpha. Sine rule. Sine alpha slash BC equals sine 90 degrees AC. Sine alpha equals BC asterisk sine 90 degrees AC.
Sin, alfa, ίσον 13,6.
Alpha equals sine 13/13.6 equals 69.5 degrees approximately. Bearing of C from A equals 135 degrees. Alpha equals 135 degrees minus 69.5 degrees equals 65.5 degrees. 2. Bearing of C from A equals 65.5 degrees. Question 4. In the diagram, P, R, Q, and S are points on a circle center O. T is a point outside the circle such that angle RTP equals 20 degrees and angle QSR equals 30 degrees. PQ is a diameter. Calculate. A. Angle QRS. B. Angle PQS. Solution. Part A. Angle QRS equals 150 degrees. This part was correct in the previous solution. Part B. Angle PQR equals 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. Angle QRS equals 150 degrees. From Part A. Angle PQS equals angle QR. S angle PQR equals 150 degrees minus 90 degrees equals 60 degrees. Therefore, the correct answer for Part B is angle PQS equals 60 degrees. Question 5. The mean age in years of students in a class was 17.6. At the end of the academic year, 4 students aged 16, 19, 20, and 17 were dismissed. The new mean age of the class became 0.2 less than the original mean. Find the value of M. Solution. Let's denote. Original total age of students equals T. Original mean age equals 17.6. Number of students equals M, so T equals 17.6 meters. Total age of dismissed students equals 16 plus 19 plus 20 plus 17 equals 72. New total age of students equals T. 72 equals 17.6 meters, 72. New number of students equals M negative 4. New mean age equals 17.6 meters. 72 die M negative 4 equals 17.6 minus 0.2 equals 17.4. Solving the equation. 17.6 meters minus 72 equals 17.4, or M negative 4. 17.6 meters minus 72 equals 17.4 meters. 69.6. 0.2 meters equals 2.4. M equals 12. Question 6. A. 2 towns, P and Q, on the equator are on longitude 67 degrees east and 123 degrees east respectively. I. Illustrate the information in a diagram. 2. Find the distance between P and Q along the equator. 2. How far is P from the North Pole? B. M2 minus 1, N3 5, O minus 1 6 are the coordinates of the vertices of triangle MNO. Find, correct to one decimal place, the perimeter of the triangle. Solution. Part A. I. Diagram. Draw a circle representing the Earth with points P and Q marked on the equator at the given longitudes. 2. Distance between P and Q. Difference in longitude equals 123 degrees, east minus 67 degrees, east equals 56 degrees. Circumference of the Earth equals 2 pi, r equals 2, 22 sevenths, 6,400 equals 40,228.57 kilometers. Distance between P and Q equals 56 360ths, asterisk 40,228.5. 7 equals 6,255.56 kilometers. 2. Distance of P from the North Pole. Latitude of P equals 0 degrees on the equator. Distance from the North Pole equals 9,360ths. Asterisk 40,228.57 equals 10,057.14 kilometers. Part B. Find the lengths of the sides using the distance formula. M. N equals SQRT off. 3 to 2 squared plus 5 dash minus 1 squared equals SQRT 1 plus 36 equals SQRT 37. NO equals SQRT off. 1 to 3 squared plus 6 to 5 squared equals SQRT off. 16 plus 1 equals SQRT 17. MO equals SQRT off. 1 to 2 squared plus 6 minus 1 squared equals SQRT 9 plus 49 equals SQRT off 58. Perimeter equals M. N plus nitrogen monoxide plus MO equals SQRT 37 plus SQRT 17 plus SQRT 58 equals 18.3 kilometers. Question 7. A. The time a man takes to paint a room alone is an hour less than the time his apprentice takes to paint the same room. If both of them take 72 minutes to paint the room, find the time that the apprentice takes to paint the room alone. B. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the top of a building, 5 meters high, is 30 degrees. If on the horizontal ground, the building is 40 meters away from the foot of the tower. I. Illustrate the information in a diagram. 2. Calculate, correct to 3 significant figures, the height of the tower. Solution. Part A. Let's denote. Time taken by the man equals T minutes. Time taken by the apprentice equals T plus 60 minutes. Work done by the man in 1 minute equals 1/t. Work done by the apprentice in 1 minute equals 1/t plus 60. Combined work done in 1 minute equals 1/t plus 1/t plus 60 equals 2t plus 60 divided t of t plus 60. Time taken together equals 72 minutes equals t of t plus 60 divided by 2t plus 60. Solving the quadratic equation. T squared plus 60t equals 72. 2t plus 60, t squared 60t, 4,320 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula. T equals 60 plus or minus SQRT 60 caret 2414320 by 2 asterisk 1 T equals 60 plus or minus SQRT 18,720 slash 2. T equals 60 plus or minus 136.8. Since time cannot be negative, T equals 60 plus 136.8 equals 196.8 minutes. Time taken by the apprentice equals T plus 60 equals 196.8 plus 60 equals 256.8 minutes. Part B, I, diagram. Draw a diagram with a tower, a building, and the horizontal ground, showing the angle of elevation and the distances. 2. Height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be h meters. Tan 30 degrees equals h negative 5/40. H minus 5 equals 40 asterisk tan 30 degrees. H equals 5 plus 40 asterisk tan 30 degrees. H equals 5 plus 40 asterisk 1 SQ R T of 3. H equals 5 plus 40 slash Q R. T of 3 equals 28.3 meters. Height of the tower equals 28.3 meters.
Thank you for watching it up to this far. And this is the part 1, and the part 2 will release soon. So please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you get a notification when the part 2 is released. Please don't forget to subscribe, especially like and share to your other friends who need this video. I'm Mr. BB, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Toodles.